If your Mac is starting to run out of storage, you've probably come across a product called DiskClean Pro from SysWeek. The big question is whether it's actually worth buying, especially when products like CleanMyMac are so well known. I've been testing both side by side to see how they compare, and the results were actually quite interesting. DiskClean Pro is designed to remove temporary files, application caches, log files, crash reports, and other unnecessary files that accumulate over time, helping you to recover storage space and keep your Mac tidy. The first thing that stood out to me was the interface. It's clean, modern, professionally designed, and very easy to navigate. Across the top are 5 main categories that clearly separate the different parts of the application, so it's obvious where everything is without having to hunt through menus. The overview page is particularly useful because it gives you a quick snapshot of your Mac, showing when each type of scan was last run and whether junk files has started to build up again. Overall, it feels like a polished Mac application rather than one of those old-fashioned utilities that hasn't been updated for years. The headline feature is Smart Scan, although I'm not really convinced what especially is smart about it. It appears to combine several different cleanup checks into a single scan rather than using any particular intelligent analysis. That said, it works well enough, and once the scan has finished, you can expand each category to see exactly what it's found before deciding whether to remove it. On my Mac, it identified the kinds of files you expect, including application cache files, temporary files, partial downloads, log files, and crash reports. I actually like that level of transparency because it lets you see exactly what we deleted rather than simply asking you to trust the software. The real test though was comparing it with CleanMyMac on exactly the same Mac. After running DiskClean Pro, I immediately scanned the machine with CleanMyMac. Surprisingly, CleanMyMac still found around 4 GB of additional removable files that DiskClean Pro hadn't reported. Most of that consisted of extra cache files, and CleanMyMac also deleted unnecessary files on attachable external drives, something DiskClean Pro didn't appear to include in its scan. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean DiskClean Pro is doing a poor job. Different developers make different decisions about what is safe to remove, and some deliberately take a more conservative approach to reduce the risk of deleting anything useful. But if your goal is finding absolutely every removable file on your Mac, CleanMyMac definitely appears to dig a little deeper. However, this is where the story becomes much more interesting because price has to be part of the equation. DiskClean Pro is available as a one-time purchase for $9.99. That completely changes how I judge it. Yes, CleanMyMac found around 4 GB more removable data, but the real question isn't whether DiskClean Pro is better than CleanMyMac. The question is whether it's good enough for a fraction of the price, and I think the answer is probably yes. If all you want is a straightforward utility that removes temporary files, caches, logs, and other common junk from your Mac every few weeks, DiskClean Pro does that very well. The interface is excellent, it's easy to use, the scans are quick, and it explains exactly what's going to remove before making any changes. So my overall verdict is that DiskClean Pro is a very good value Mac cleaner, especially for the price.